Want to smell incredible this holiday season? Here's your chance. Pete and Pedro is hosting a $100 holiday cologne giveaway. One lucky winner will score their brand new Icon and Legend colognes worth a cool $100. These sophisticated, long-lasting scents are perfect for any occasion. Entering is a breeze. Just head over to link to entry, follow the simple steps, and you're in. Don't forget to check out the product reviews. You'll see why Icon and Legend are must-haves. This giveaway is part of the 2024 Holiday Gift Guide, co-hosted by awesome bloggers like Pink Ninja Blog and Beautiful Touches, along with 14 others. It's a festive bonanza of giveaways you won't want to miss. Remember, this contest is open to U.S. residents aged 18 and over. But hurry, entries close December 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Winners will be chosen randomly and notified via email, so keep an eye on your inbox. So what are you waiting for? Enter now and let Pete and Pedro's Icon and Legend colognes elevate your holiday spirit. Good luck and happy holidays.